Hi, I'm Pretty from Edwards and Walker Opticians. I want to talk to you guys about anti-reflective coatings today. So a lot of my previous video blogs have concentrated on sort of eye health conditions and sort of vision and things like that. But as well as sort of picking up those conditions and picking up things as early as we can. Another side of it is obviously once you've got that prescription to be able to see the best you can out of your glasses. So a lot of my patients will sort of report when they're driving at night, when they're looking at sort of oncoming car headlights, they're quite dazzling, quite bright, you get like a halo or a starburst effect around headlights. It's not helped by the new sort of xenon and LED lights that have been used. It basically makes that problem that was probably there a while, it makes it more exaggerated for you. So if you are sort of experiencing those kind of symptoms, it can, number one, suggest that you may need a prescription for sort of nighttime driving at a minimum. Or if you're sort of experiencing those symptoms in your glasses, it would suggest that you may not have the appropriate coating on your spectacle lenses to minimise that. So by that I mean anti-reflective coatings. So anti-reflective coatings are extremely useful for various reasons. Nighttime driving and computer use are the biggest reasons that we would suggest that you have anti-reflective coating. So what the coating does is it just cuts out reflections from oncoming headlights, computer screens, overhead lights that you have in the office environment, and they cut out all of those reflections, which means that you get a clearer pinpoint image when you are sort of using your glasses. And then minimises the reflections off sort of other sort of surfaces around and give you your clearest point of vision. Now, what patients sometimes do complain of when they have the coating put on their lenses is that they have to keep cleaning their glasses, and the reason for that is that they don't attract a higher level of dirt, these coatings. It's just that if you didn't have the coating, you have the same sort of debris and deposits on your lenses. It's just that the anti-reflective coated lenses are a clearer lens, which means that you can see the sort of fingerprint marks and the smudge marks and sort of the smearing on the lens a lot sooner than you would do if you had a lens with no coating on. So the reason that you're having to clean them more is because you can see the marks more, and ultimately you can see clearer through them, which is why you can see that they're not as clear when they have got something interfering with the coating. We usually recommend a lens cleaning spray specific for that coating, because if you did use washing up liquid on those coatings, it can start to break down the coating. So if you have got any lenses with specific coatings on, please ask your opticians whether you are using the right lens spray for that coating, because you wouldn't want to then break down that coating, which would cause you symptoms when you're using them. So if you have any questions regarding sort of nighttime driving, anti-reflective coatings, coating specific for computer use, please feel free to drop us a message on Facebook, send us an email or give us a call. Thank you for listening.